Hello, today we are solving May 2024 paper, Unit 2, question number 6, Part C. Evaluate how well Kowloon Tong Stores PLC has managed to source its sources of finance during the year. So, whenever we are discussing the source of finance, we should see that, okay, when we had prepared earlier, we had prepared the cash flow statements. So, you should see whether a bank loan has been paid, dividends has been paid, whether there has been any profit on the sale, and it has helped them to achieve redeem shares. Okay, all these are good for the company, so it has been said it is handled well. But however, if there is an extra loan taken and the cash and the cash equivalents have gone down, you can say that the finance has not been handled properly. So here we can see that the bank loan has seen 200,000 paid back in the year. This should reduce future interest payments, which is good. Okay, then ordinary shares have been redeemed. It will reduce the dividends in the future payments. So the redemption of 1 million of ordinary shares and a share premium of 250,000 has happened. Then the preference shares has been paid full dividend. Then ordinary shareholders in the Kowloon also returned their have received a return 1.1 plus zero point 0.4, that is equal to 1.5p on their 50p shares. So this is a return of 3% because their value of share they are holding is just 0.5, but they got a share dividend of 1.1, okay, at the beginning, at the final dividend, and the interim dividend of zero point 0.4. Totally they have got 1.5p. Okay, so which is 3% return. This may be good or bad based on the economic conditions, whether the bank is giving more or we have to see. Okay, and then compare this, but they have got a return of 3%, which at least is good. Okay, they have got some dividend on the shares. But what has not been handled poorly is they have seen that a debenture loan of 500,000 was taken out. This is despite Kowloon Tong PLC increasing retained earnings by over 2 million. We can see that the retained earnings have increased, okay, have increased, but they have taken still a debenture loan, okay. So which means future interest might come in. This is a bond and you need to pay some fixed interest in the future. So the debenture interest is also 9%, which is higher than the 8% bank loan they have taken. And so this means there is an interest dividend of around 45,000 pounds per year they have to pay from corporation or from any government they have received. Then the cash and the cash equivalents have fallen. Okay, we have seen from 186,000 to 24,000. So liability at the end of the year, this is a fall of 210,000 pounds. So this is bad for the company. So in conclusion, okay, you can write some conclusion here. Okay, so you can say that overall they have performed well. In conclusion, you can say that they have performed well. Okay, overall they have performed well. You can give your statement either way, okay, depending upon your